In today's video, I will walk you through how to add logo to PayPal Invoice. To get started, open your web browser and go to your PayPal account summary page. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Activity tab. Inside the Activity section, you will see an overview of your recent transactions and invoices. Browse through the list and locate the invoice you want to edit. You can identify the invoice by checking the date or the type connected to it. After finding the correct invoice, click on it to open more options related to that invoice. Once the invoice interface opens, look for the More Actions button. Click on it to display additional options. From the menu that appears, select Edit Invoice. This will take you to the invoice editing screen where you can customize the invoice details. On the editing screen, look for the pencil icon. Click the pencil icon to continue to the editing section for the invoice details. After clicking the pencil icon, find the area labeled Add Logo. Click on Add Logo to begin uploading your logo image. You will then be prompted to select an image file from your device. Choose the logo file you want to use for the invoice. Once the upload is complete, review the invoice preview to make sure the logo appears correctly. If everything looks good, save your changes to apply the logo to the invoice. Your PayPal invoice will now include the uploaded logo, and the updated version will be ready to use. The process is simple once you know where each option is located inside the invoice editor. Navigating through the Activity tab, opening the invoice, selecting More Actions, and using the Edit Invoice option will take you directly to the customization settings. From there, using the pencil icon and selecting Add Logo allows you to upload the image you want displayed on the invoice. After the image is added, checking the preview helps confirm that the logo appears correctly before saving the changes. Once saved, the invoice will display the uploaded logo as part of the final invoice layout. That's all you need to do to add a logo to a PayPal invoice. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you customize your PayPal invoices successfully.